Alright you guys, so we have another recipe in our series for our 3 ingredient or less juice recipes. So let's go ahead and make this. This one should be a breeze. We got 1 cucumber, 1 big Asian pear. I love Asian pears. Why it look like that? It didn't look like that when I got it. I got it earlier, a few hours ago, and now she looked like she done rolled around the road. Like, look at her. Why she look like that? Okay. And then we have 1 sprig of mint. I love mint in my juices. I think it is a great little touch. I think it's delicious. So like I said, this one should be easy. Let's get it done. I think I could probably actually use my apple core for this pear. So let's see. Ooh, this is juicy. Juicy. Ooh, yes. So pears are actually known as a natural diuretic and a digestive aid. So pretty much that means that they are really good to help clean you out. And then, you know, the cucumber has a nice high water content, and it is also really great for your digestion, your hydration. So these two are a power couple. But then let's not forget the mint. Mint is actually really good for you too, and it is also great for your oral health. So it can help freshen your little stinking breath, okay? Amongst other things. So let's just cut this into 4 pieces here. And then, I feel like I might want to take the skin off this cucumber only because they weren't organic, and I washed them off, but it feels kind of waxy to me. Just a little bit waxy still, and I'm not feeling that. Now, I only use vinegar to clean everything. I ran out of the fruit and vegetable cleaner that I usually use, and I've just been using vinegar instead. I would use baking soda, but apparently that cancels out the chemical, I don't know, it does something to the chemical reaction where they cancel each other out with the baking soda and the vinegar. So even though it looks like it clean, but it looks like it be cleaning folks stuff. I don't know. Anyway, let's just get it going. So we'll just snatch off the bottom pieces, and then I'm just gonna stick this whole piece in there. That mint smells so good already. I think this juice is gonna be delicious, like delicious. I guess I made about 16 ounces. Ooh, the color, it's a nice little sheer green. Okay. Where are my bands off? I don't know. Pour a little bit in here. Almost choked. That's really good. That is so like thin, and I know thin is probably a crazy way to describe it, but it's so refreshing and light. And I feel like if that was really cold, it would be so crisp. Yeah, that's a winner. We keeping that. That is a wrap for another one of our juicing recipes with 3 ingredients or less. I need to start just saying 3 ingredients because they all have 3 ingredients intentionally. It ain't no or less. But I done made 4 videos already saying that, so we're just gonna keep it going. Make sure you subscribe down below, drop a comment, and let me know if you would try this combination, and I'll see you guys for the next video.